Did Samsung with this latest update break your Galaxy S25 Ultra? If your loading icons look frozen like this on every app, just stuck, and the opening or closing your apps feel stuck with no motion at all, you are missing out on that beautiful screen you paid for. Today, I'm going to show you how you can bring back that beautiful motion to your screen. Without further ado, let's dive into it. To solve this issue, let's go to the settings. Mine is right here. Tap on settings, then scroll down until you find accessibility. Accessibility is right here. Tap there. Inside accessibility, tap on vision enhancements. Inside here, scroll down until you find reduce animations. If this option is on, your phone feels like brick. Turn it off. But before that, let me show the before and after. Right now, this option is on. If I minimize it and open again, you can see that there is no motion at all. Right? Now, let's turn this option off. Now let's do again. Minimize and open. Do you see the difference? Now you have this beautiful motion. And the loading circle is now moving. That's more like it. Did this fix your phone? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.